Did you know that companies like Google, Amazon, and even NASA use a powerful platform to manage their IT operations? And the people who know how to use it often earn six figures a month? Let's talk about ServiceNow, the platform behind some of the world's most efficient tech systems. What is ServiceNow? ServiceNow is a cloud-based platform that helps organizations automate and manage digital workflows across departments like IT, HR, customer service, and more. It's like a digital brain that keeps everything organized, from fixing broken computers to onboarding new employees, all in one place. Where is ServiceNow used? Companies use ServiceNow to manage IT incidents, employee requests, approvals, and more, all through one seamless system. From small startups to global enterprises, ServiceNow is the backbone of modern business operations. Why it's a big deal? What makes ServiceNow powerful is that you can build your own apps, automate tasks, and integrate with other systems, all without starting from scratch. And yes, it's one of the fastest-growing tech platforms today. Careers and skills. There are different roles in the ServiceNow world: developers, admins, architects, and consultants. If you enjoy creating solutions and want a platform that doesn't require deep coding knowledge, ServiceNow development might be perfect for you. And the best part? You don't need a computer science degree to get started. That's just the beginning of what ServiceNow can do. In the next videos, we'll explore how to build apps, create workflows, and become a ServiceNow pro, one short tutorial at a time. Subscribe, and let's build your tech career together.